It was a joyful and remarkable day for students, parents and teachers of Sacred Heart Catholic College as the Noble School celebrated 20 years of existence. Sacred Heart Catholic College is a Catholic mission co-educational institution founded in September 17, 2001 by the Ijebu Ode Catholic Diocese under the episcopacy of late Bishop Albert Ayinde Fashina. According to the motto of the school, educatians in charactate, meaning nurturing in love, the school emphasized more on Catholic values of truth and compassion. It prepares students for a life of learning, services and personal responsibility. The Catholic Bishop of Ijebu Ode Diocese, who led the Mass for this great celebration, His Lordship Most Reverend Dr. Francis Obafemi Adesina, explained why and how the school came into existence.
But I stand here on behalf of my most excellent predecessor, Baba Albert Ayinde Fashina, the one in whose vision we are all gathered here today. If he did not dream the dream of having another school here for the people of Ijebu Ode area who could not afford CKCC or Louisville. If he did not dream that these schools should be co-educational, male and female.
The principal of the school, Reverend Father Jude Okafo, also buttressed his points.
And therefore, he gave a talk that we should have a school that will serve the Ijebu Ode environment, Ijebu Ode urban environment. Hence, the idea was conceived and was given birth to the birth of Sacred Heart Catholic College, Ijebu Ode, precisely on the 17th of September 2001.
The event featured donations from parents and invited guests, exhibitions, documentaries, choreographies, cultural dance and presentation of awards for recognition of the immense contributions of some personalities who in one way or the other supported the school in the last 20 years. Among them is Mr. Emmanuel Okiwelu, who retired from the Nigerian Television Authority, and Dr. Violet Ebariro.
I sent 8 children to this school. Seven have graduated from this school, and they are doing very well. The school have acknowledged the sacrifice I did in this school.
I would say I deserve it, because when we started the hostel, particularly the girls' hostel, I started the girls' hostel with just 7 children, and we hardly had a place to lay our heads. It was right under my nose that the first hostel was built.
The event also showcased a raffle draw where numbers were picked randomly for various gifts ranging from sets of pots, water bottles, footballs, sandwich maker, etc., while the grand winner went home with a generator. The parents, who said the school is a great citadel of learning, commended the teachers for bringing the best out of the students.
The school is fine. It's fine because there was a parent who also came through me to this school. But after the first term, he withdrew the daughter. The daughter is not presently doing fine. But my children are finished. They are in the university.
The school is a blessing to me. I would say the school was originally planned for me.
The students, who could not hide their joy, also appreciated their teachers for impacting so much in them. The school, through a holistic approach to education, has produced and still producing great men and women, some of whom are lawyers, doctors, reverend fathers, nurses, professors, engineers, educationists, to mention a few. In Ijebu Ode, Bumi Oni, NTA News.